How to make friends with your body and always enjoy sex. How often we do not receive the pleasure of sex because we are embarrassed by our figure. And then we completely abandon the proximity due to the fact that we did not have time to make depilation. Anyway, dissatisfied with their body in life. How to work with these installations. No need to love. Respect. Only 26% of women and 28% of men are absolutely satisfied with their appearance. These are the data of the British edition of Metro. What follows from this? Firstly, men also suffer from inconsistency with generally accepted beauty standards, in fact, no less than us. Secondly, it seems that beautiful in theory of the ideas of the body positive does not work very much in practice. Instead of a radical one, my body is beautiful, whatever it may be, to many women closer to the body neutrality approach. This is when we concentrate not so much on appearance as on the capabilities of our body. Fitness, nutrition, beauty rituals and the concept of body nectarship are not a fanatical race behind an ideal appearance, but part of the basic care of yourself. If you do not like your body, well, in the end, you will not forcefully sweet, but start respecting him. After all, there is something. Just think about it. Every day about 30 trillion cells work so that you can breathe, walk, inhale the aroma of coffee, hug your loved ones, and admire the sunset. Find out more about your body. For example, watch popular science films about human structure. When you realize what microcosm we are, you will have gratitude and respect for your body. And this is a great foundation for love, deep, true, and not ostentatious. Ugly orgasm. Many women are embarrassed not only by their own body, but also to how they look at the time of orgasm. The ugly, in their opinion, grimaces or unerotic exclamations can allegedly scare away the partner. However, control and pleasure are incompatible things. Similar stereotypes are based on porn films. In them actresses and moan languidly, and their backs bent elegantly, and the lips are folded with a duck. It is important to understand yourself, and if necessary, explain to the partner, that porn and real sex are two completely different worlds. For example, you knew that prophylactics often even work out anesthetics. Well, an ordinary woman cannot enjoy when she bombarded a huge penis for hours. And the orgasms of the actresses are staged, and in reality, a woman at the time of the highest pleasure can behave as he likes, to be silent, screaming, grimacing, laughing and even crying. And all this is fine, because the present. If you still doubt, ask your partner if he likes you at the time of orgasm. Feel and enjoy. You can talk as much as you like about the importance of taking your body. But in order for this to become a reality, it is necessary to use not only the mind, but also, in fact, the body itself. Simple practices will help in this. What do I feel now? And what do I want? The modern world lives in the head. The main part of our activity is associated with the mental sphere. Because of this we sometimes cease to hear our body. But without contact with your physical eye to accept the body and enjoy it, neither in sex nor in ordinary life. The exercise is very simple. You need to interrupt 4 to 5 times a day. You can put a timer on the phone, and ask yourself, what do I feel now? And what do I want? Listen to yourself and give detailed answers. They can surprise you. For example, often we are so absorbed in work that we forget that we want to go to the toilet or drink water. or we direct all our strength to the aid of others, and at the same time we desperately want someone to hug us. You can become such a supporting person for yourself. Study yourself. It's not about masturbation, although why not, but about those parts of the face and body that seem problematic to you. You can repeat the mantra "I am beautiful" as many times, but if you look at yourself in the mirror, you see a huge nose, cellulite hips and sagging chest. Words are unlikely to help. Stop inspiring anything, start feeling. Touch the most, in your opinion, ugly parts, shake, knead, massage. Use the widest spectrum of touch. In addition to hands, you can use oil, silk scarf, feather. Concentrate on the sensations that the body gives you. Yes, perhaps there are cellulite on the hips, but what a lot of pleasures they give you. Relax. The embarrassment and constant dissatisfaction with their body lead to muscle cramps. At the subconscious level, we want to become invisible, and from that we cringe. Relaxation practices will help. Yoga, meditation, stretching. Also accustom yourself to scan the body from the crown to the heels several times a day and relax all the tense areas. The easiest way to do this is if you mentally direct the exhalation to the muscle clamp.